Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, and then select the another shape, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, enable button down, adjust the color, copy the shape, select the copy option, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Then select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, click the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, select the text option, edit by writing, select the size, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, and then change the background color, adjust the color, select the redas, change the background, select the color option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.